Are birds and bugs turning your garden into their personal buffet? I totally get it. Watching your hard-earned veggies disappear overnight can drive any gardener crazy. But before you reach for harsh chemicals, let me show you a super easy trick that costs almost nothing. Grab some aluminum foil, yep, the same stuff in your kitchen drawer. Here's what you do. Cut the foil into strips or just crumple it up a bit so it's nice and shiny. Hang the strips from branches, tie them to garden stakes, or dangle them wherever you spot the most trouble. As the foil moves in the breeze, it catches sunlight and flashes. Those random bursts of light totally freak out birds and confuse most insects. Think of it like a disco party your pests weren't invited to. Why does this work so well? Birds are super sensitive to sudden flashes and movement. Insects too. They get disoriented by all that reflective light, so they steer clear of your crops. Best part? No chemicals, no harm to your plants, and it's totally eco-friendly. Want to level up? You can use old CDs, reflective tape, or even tiny mirrors for the same dazzling effect. And here's a pro tip. Move your foil strips every few days so pests don't catch on. For stubborn insects, combine the foil trick with natural sprays like neem oil or garlic water. Got ants? Loosely wrap some foil around tree trunks to block them from climbing up. Just remember, this works best during the day. No sunlight, no flashes. And please make sure your foil is tied down tight so it doesn't end up as litter. So there you go. A simple, safe, and budget-friendly way to save your garden. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening hacks. Happy growing! In this chapter, we'll dive into more advanced eco-friendly methods to protect your garden. One effective method is using companion planting. By planting certain herbs and flowers alongside your vegetables, you can naturally repel pests. For example, marigolds are known to deter nematodes, while basil can keep mosquitoes and flies away. Another great tip is to introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which prey on common garden pests. You can also create barriers using fine mesh or row covers to physically block insects from reaching your plants. Lastly, consider using organic mulch to keep the soil healthy and reduce weed growth. These methods, combined with the aluminum foil trick, will help you maintain a thriving, pest-free garden. Happy gardening!